Hi, this is Jeff from Aqua Products, and today I'm going to help you get started with the Breeze SE. After you've unpacked everything from the box, you're going to be left with the pool cleaner and the power supply. First thing we're going to do is we're going to move the power supply 12 feet from the edge of the pool. We're not going to plug the power supply in yet. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to locate the end of the floating cable. You can see the other end of the cord. We're going to plug this into the power supply. The next step is going to be to submerge the cleaner into the pool. The goal here is to remove any air bubbles that would affect the buoyancy of the cleaner. Remember, your pool cleaner should not be floating to the top, it should stay on the bottom, so it's important that we get as much air out as possible. When you think you've got it all out, just let the cleaner float to the bottom of the pool. As it's going to the bottom of the pool, start throwing in some of the floating cable. You really ideally only want to throw in as much as you need, really to have the pool cleaner reach corners of your pool, and that's good. So now that the pool cleaner is in the pool, we're going to want to come over here and plug the power supply into a GFCI outlet. The next step is to turn the cleaner on. Once the cleaner is on, you'll notice that the small pool indicator is lit up. That's the default setting. Depending on the size of your pool, you can select a large pool or small pool. We'll select large pool for this pool. As the pool cleaner starts to move around the pool, you're going to let it go through its cycle. At any point, you're either going to want to remove the cleaner from the pool because you need to end the cycle early, or the cycle has ended on its own. If the cycle has ended on its own, there's no need to turn off the power supply to remove the cleaner from the pool. If you want to remove the cleaner early, all you got to do is you got to come over here to the power supply, and you're going to want to just turn off the power supply by hitting the on-off button. The next step is to remove the floating cable from the power supply so that there's no power going to the cleaner. To retrieve the cleaner, gently pull on the cord to get the cleaner to come to the surface. You'll notice that as you get to the point of the Aquabot swivel, you're going to want to grab the cord in between the swivel and the cleaner. This way we're not going to rip the swivel out of the cord and damage the cord. So gently pull the cleaner to the surface, grab it by the handle, bring it to the edge of the pool, and you can just let all the water out. The debris is inside the basket. It is not going to float back into your pool. Move the cleaner outside the pool. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to clean out the filter basket.